Well, time now for that most accurate forecast here as we talk about conditions across the valley and across the state. It's been an interesting weekend. First, it's been a really hot weekend, but we've also dealt with some hazy skies, especially yesterday, thanks to wildfire smoke, the apple fire burning in California, that smoke flowing into our state, and we could see a similar setup today. Of course, you can't see that smoke on satellite view this morning because it's still dark outside. Once we get some more of that daylight, we'll be able to switch our satellite views and get a better view of some of that smoke. Right now, what you can see are the clear conditions across the valley and across the state with cloud cover in southeast Arizona lingering from thunderstorms that developed in that area yesterday. Futurecast shows you that that smoke will be flowing in again from the west, although the thickest smoke will remain confined near California, but we'll see some of that smoke flowing in from the west, especially across northwest Arizona. But I think there's a chance we're going to see it dive south into the valley again today. So hazy conditions are likely, and those hazy conditions could also impact our high temperatures. That was the case yesterday, keeping our temperatures shy of the forecast and just below 110 because of some of that smoke. So we could see those temperatures impacted once again today. Right now, we're waking up to temperatures in the 80s to 90s across the valley. It's 90 in Deer Valley, 91 in Scottsdale, 87 in Gilbert, and 89 in Peoria. As you look at those conditions across the state, mid-50s currently in Flagstaff. It's 73 in Kingman, 92 at Lake Havasu, and Phoenix also checking in right at 92 degrees. Today's high temperature looks to top 110 once again. Again, the caveat is that we may see some of that smoke hold our temperatures down a bit, but I think today Phoenix looks to hit a high of 111 degrees, especially if that smoke doesn't end up as thick as it was yesterday. 112 for Lake Havasu, 113 out in Bullhead City. We'll hit 104 in Kingman, 100 in Sedona, highs into the mid-80s today in Flagstaff, 90 in Show Low. As you look at those temperatures across the valley, still running well above the average high for this time of year. 30-year average is 105. We'll hit 110 to 111 in most valley cities today, possibly sneaking up a little bit higher in spots like Ahwatukee up to 112. So we remain under that excessive heat warning for the Phoenix metro area and all of Maricopa County. Also, the lower terrain, lower elevations of Yavapai County remain under that excessive heat warning through Tuesday evening. And you'll notice, too, the lower elevations of the Grand Canyon and portions of Yuma also included under that heat alert. So this is just a reminder that heat and the type of heat that we're feeling with the very warm mornings and humid mornings and also the hot afternoons can all put that extra stress on your body. And that's the issue here. We just want you to be careful. That's why that heat warning is in place, just as a reminder to keep heat safety top of mind. That excessive heat warning does remain in effect, and so just keep those tips in mind. Make sure that you're hydrating, make sure that you're limiting your time outdoors as much as possible, especially during the peak heat of the day. Today's temperatures will hit 100 degrees by as early as 10 o'clock this morning. Then we're topping out at 111 today with mostly sunny conditions. Storms are possible again today in these areas highlighted in that green. It's mainly in eastern Arizona, the White Mountains, also southeast Arizona, but we may see a few storms in Pinal County. For now, the valley looks dry today. It looks like we're going to stay dry again tomorrow. A little bit more moisture showing up by Wednesday. At this point, rain chances don't look promising for the valley just yet. I'll let you know if that changes. But otherwise, we're in weather action mode today and tomorrow as that excessive heat warning remains in place. Then the rest of the week's not really cooling off much, but we'll see those overnight low temperatures drop, which I think will be helpful. High temperatures below 110 through the end of the week, and then those overnight lows cooling into the low 80s by the end of the week as well.